I'm Ludde from Payair. Today I will show you how to use Payair when paying at multiple cash registers in one location. Tag along.
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
What would you like to have today?
Can I have a cup of coffee, please?
How would you like to pay?
With Payair, of course.
Okay. Please scan the code.
I will do so. Thank you. I'm just going to enter my code here.
$28 Swedish crowns for coffee.
Well invested. Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
But that wasn't enough. Let's go and buy another cup of coffee in another location down the bottom.
Hello, Ludde.
Hello there, hello there.
What would you like to have today?
Can I have a cup of coffee, please?
What would you like to pay?
With Payair, please.
Scan the code.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And you see, that's how easy it is to pay at multiple cash registers in one location. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.